They say in the Air Force the landing's okay if the pilot gets out and the crew walk away. But in the Fleet Air Arm the prospects are grim if the landing's no good and the pilot can't swim.
Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered my A25. I thought I was coming in low enough, but I was 50 feet up when the batsman gate cut. Loud in my ear holes the sweet angels sang, float, 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 barrier, prang. Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered my A25.
When the batsman gives lower, I always go higher. Drift off to starboard and prang my Seafire. The boys in the goofers all think that I'm green, but I get my commission from Supermarine.
Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered my A25. They gave me a Seafire to beat up the fleet. I beat up the Nelson, the Rodney a treat, but I forgot the long masts that stick out from fore mid, and a seat on the goofers was worth 50 quid. Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered my A25.
I came back to Lee, and there, much to my wrath, they sent me to fly an old tiger moth. It does 80 knots or something fantastic. It's a very good show for some string and elastic.
Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered my A25. Now all you sprog pilots, just listen to me. A Fleet Air Arm pilot you never should be, but stay on the deck with 2 feet on the floor and go out on the grog with the girl from next door. Kraken show, I'm alive, but I still haven't rendered